Good day everyone, I am Francesca Lamastibahenteng, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. So this day, let's talk about linear factor. So what is non-repeated linear factors? So when q of x split into the linear factors non-repeated, if p of x has a greater than or equal to the degree of q of x, apply the division algorithm to take a polynomial equation from it. Let's have an example. Example number 1. 6x minus 22 all over 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. So write a 7x as a difference. So we have 6x minus 22 all over 2x squared plus 10x minus 3x minus 15. And factor out 2x from the expression and factor out 3x from the expression. So we have 6x minus 22 all over 2x times x plus 5 minus 3 times x plus 5. So factor out x plus 5 from the expression. So we have 6x minus 22 all over x plus 5 times 2x minus 3. Then for each factor in the denominator, write a new fraction using the factors as new denominators. The numerators are unknown values. So we have this numerator unknown over x plus 5 plus unknown over 2x minus 3. Then since the factor in the denominator is linear, the numerator is an unknown constant a. So the unknown numerator is a over x plus 5 plus b over 2x minus 3. So to get the unknown values, set the sum of fraction equals to the original fraction. So we have 6x minus 22 all over x plus 5 times 2x minus 3 is equals to a all over x plus 5 plus b 2x minus 3. Then multiply both sides of the equation by x plus 5 and 2x minus 3. So we have this 6x minus 22 equals 2x minus 3 times a plus x plus 5 times b. Then simplify by the expression. So we have 6x minus 22 equals 2ax minus 3a plus bx minus 5b. Then group the powers of the x terms and the constant terms. So we have 6x minus 22 equals 2ax plus bx minus 3a plus 5b. Then when two polynomials are equal, their corresponding coefficients must be equal. So we have negative 22 is equals to 3a plus 5b, and 6 is equals to 2a plus b. Then solve the system of equation. So a and b is equals to 4 and negative 2. And substitute the given values into the form partial fraction decomposition. So we have 4 all over x plus 5 plus negative 2 all over 2x minus 3. Then use negative a rather all over b equals a all over negative b equals negative a plus all over b to rewrite the fraction. So we have 4 over x plus 5 minus 2 all over 2x minus 3. Have another example. Negative 5x plus 4 over x squared minus 1. So use a squared plus b squared is equals to a minus b times a plus b to factor the expression. So we have the negative 5x plus 4 all over x minus 1 times x plus 1. So for each factor in the denominator, write a new fraction using the factor as new denominator. Then the numerator are unknown. So we have the numerator are unknown. Then since the factor in the denominator is linear, the numerator is an unknown constant. So we have the a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1. So to get the unknown values, set the sum of fractions equal to the original fraction. So we have the negative 5x plus 4 all over x minus 1 times x plus 1. So equals a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1. Then multiply both sides of the equation by x minus 1 plus x plus 1. We have negative 5x plus 4 equals x plus 1 times a plus x minus 1 times b. Then simplify the expression. So we have the negative 5x plus 4 equals ax plus a plus bx minus b. Then use the commutative property to reorder the constant terms. So we have the negative 5x plus 4 equals ax plus bx plus a minus b. Then group the powers of the x terms and constant terms. So we have the negative 5x plus 4 equals a plus b times x plus a minus b. Then when two polynomials are equal, their corresponding coefficients must be equal. So we have the 4 equals a minus b, then negative 5 equals 5 plus b, and solve the system of equation. So we have the a and b is equals to negative 1/2 and 9 over 2. Then substitute the given values into the form partial fraction decomposition. So we have the negative 1 over 2 all over x plus 1, x minus 1 rather, plus negative 9 over 2 all over x plus 1. Then use negative a over b rather equals a over negative b equals negative a over b to rewrite the fraction. So we have the negative 1/2 all over x minus 1 minus 9 over 2 all over x plus 1. So we have this 1 over 2 times x plus 1 minus 9 over 2 times x plus 1.